Hi, I'm Jaya Bindra and I manage the Embedded Application Group and Solution Development using PSOC 6 and Wi-Fi BT combo devices. Today, I'm going to talk about an innovative solution from Infineon for smart home market. A plethora of Infineon devices like microcontrollers, connectivity devices, power management ICs, and sensor open up wide possibilities in smart home and other IoT solutions. PSOC 682M with 1 MB of RAM is an ideal candidate for implementing a graphics controller that requires high dynamic memory for display buffers. Other features such as captions, SDIO interface, PDM to PCM interface, low power, 2 MB of flash, and access to wireless devices places it in an advantageous position for smart home and automotive infotainment applications. Infineon sensors like MEMS-based microphone, power management ICs, etc. helps realize a smarter and power-efficient IoT solutions. The hardware consists of a display adapter board, a graphics control board, a 4.3-inch 480 x 272 TFT display, a 10 x 10 backgammon capacitive touchscreen from Poly IC, and the 2 microphone breakout board set up from PSOC 6 Wi-Fi BT prototyping kit. The graphics control board includes the PSOC 682M plus 43012 carrier module, programming header, SD card connector on the back side of the board and other circuitry for interfacing the display. Touchscreen and microphone breakout board. In addition, the demo uses a PSOC 6 Wi-Fi BT prototyping kit connected to a fan and Amazon Alexa device for demonstrating AWS connectivity and Alexa Skills Kit integration. PSOC 682M device sits at the heart of the demo, driving the display, scanning and processing the touchscreen, interfacing the Wi-Fi chip for internet connectivity, and listening to user voice for commands. PSOC 6 drives the display directly over a 16-bit parallel RGB interface at about 30 Hz refresh rate. This happens through DMAs and PWMs in the hardware and involves minimal CPU intervention. The processing and the scanning of the capacitive touchscreen is synchronized to the display refresh and happens at the same 30 Hz rate. In addition, PDM to PCM interface remains active and listens to voice at 16 kilosamples per second. The voice data is processed in the CPU to detect wake-up word and local commands. While all this happens locally in the CPU, it also connects to the internet through the Wi-Fi device and retrieves IP-based location, time, and weather information. The demo also runs Sirent IoT network intelligence and logs the critical Wi-Fi metrics and attributes to the Sirent cloud services, which enables a provision to diagnose on-field product problems. In addition, the demo communicates with the PSOC 6 Wi-Fi BT prototyping kit through Amazon Web Services to retrieve temperature data and control fan connected to the kit. This whole setup is also hooked to Alexa Skills Kit through AWS Lambda Compute Service, thus enabling Alexa-based voice commands as well. The demo achieves low power by implementing techniques like wireless LAN packet offloading and captions-based display wake on touch. The sample demo showcases touch, Wi-Fi, graphics, AWS connectivity, Alexa Skills Kit integration, and local user voice identification features. The UI design mimics a smart thermostat solution with 3 screens: outdoor, indoor, and the menu. The outdoor screen displays the location, time, and 4-day weather forecast of the current location. The indoor screen displays the set and the measured temperature, fan control and fan status and voice interactions. The menu screen lets you scan and connect to a local Wi-Fi network to retrieve location, time, weather data and AWS connectivity. For efficient power management, the display turns off automatically after a no activity, say timeout of 30 seconds, and wakes up when the user approaches the display screen. Voice commands are identified locally without internet. A wake-up word such as "Hey PSOC" can be trained into the device used to give commands such as up, down, menu, cancel, etc. to the device. For instance, you can say "Hey PSOC up" to increase the set temperature and "Hey PSOC down" to decrease the temperature. The set temperature and the fan control is communicated to the PSOC 6 Wi-Fi BT prototyping kit through AWS. The prototyping kit in turn controls the fan as per the AWS message and communicates back to the measured temperature and fan status. The prototyping kit also responds to an Alexa device such as Amazon Echo Dot. The prototyping kit is registered as a smart fan device in the Alexa Skills Kit, and voice commands such as "Alexa, ask smart fan to turn on" can be used to control the fan, or "Alexa, ask smart fan to turn off the fan." In addition, the demo logs the critical Wi-Fi metrics and attributes to the Sirent cloud service to support diagnosing on field product problems. The powerful combination of microcontrollers, connectivity devices, power management ICs, and sensors from Infineon helps in designing flexible, differentiated, and innovative IoT solutions. The solution illustrated in this video is not limited to smart home devices and can be used in various IoT products such as smart printers, smart vending machines, connected healthcare system, IoT tracking and monitoring systems, etc.